This bucket feels like a smart tool, not just a regular bucket. It holds 6 gallons and weighs 7 pounds. Inside, clear fill lines and measuring cup make adding soap easier. Optional extras include a caddy, wheels, or lid, all for $40.
Dents happen. To me, it happened from a shopping cart while I was at Grouser's store. But paintless repair makes fixes easy. This kit connects a dented panel to a pulling tool using hot glue and removable pads. It includes 4 pads and 2 holders for just $19. Cleaning your car's wheels and lower areas can be tough on your back. This stool lets you sit while you work and glide from wheel to wheel. Ever lose a bolt in the middle of repair and then you have to buy another one? Well, this silicone tray keeps your tools in one place. Its flexible body grips surfaces like steel, glass, and plastic. It has measurement markings and shallow sections for tiny amounts of liquid. This pump works on 12 volts or wall power, letting you plug it in at home or in a vehicle. It weighs about 4.5 pounds and has a 33 to 49-inch suction tube. It comes with a 6-foot hose and 2-inch adapter for 55-gallon drums. Lifting a car by hand? Impossible, right? That's why we use car jacks. They lift one corner of the vehicle so you can change a tire or check underneath. Some work with gears like screw jacks, while hydraulic jacks use fluid pressure for heavier cars. Next lift stays hidden until you need it, sitting low with the floor so even cars can drive over it. It uses hydraulic cylinders to lift vehicles up to 6,600 pounds, with automatic locks and infrared sensors keeping everything level. Here we have a rolling disc that can hold up to 350 pounds and is 26 inches wide. You can move one wheel or stack 4 at once, making it easy to push wheels around the garage. And it costs $126. Grip Clean makes a soap that removes all grease, oil, and paint from your hands. Their $59 wall dispenser works with over 3-liter refill, giving dozens to 1,000 pumps depending on soap type. If your skis often end up in a messy pile, this wall-mounted rack keeps them organized and easy to reach. Just slide them into the arms and its weight locks it in. Rubber pads prevent slipping and scratches. This set includes 3 super thin flat files, each a different width, from 1/4 inch to just over 1/2 inch. The diamond-coated blades move into tight spots where regular files can't reach. Price, $42. Aries makes practical tools. This mini ratchet set is perfect for tight spaces where a regular ratchet won't fit. It includes 2 1/4 inch ratchets, one for standard sockets, one for hex bits, with swivel heads that nearly rotate fully.